Hello friends. So today I'm gonna feature in this video two different plants. One is new and one is old. I'll start off with this one here. So this was an old man cactus that I had that I noticed a couple of days ago. The base was getting wrinkled and a little bit soft. I don't know why. I thought it was rot. I took it out of the pot and I realized that it's not rot. So this one's got me puzzled. So I've had it out drying for about, I don't know, 3 or 4 days now. And the roots are really healthy. You see that? Nothing wrong with the roots. Healthy, thick, good color. It's not brown. It's not rot. So I'm not sure. But the bottom base, the brownish part that I had under dirt, is solid. It's strong. But just above it, this light green area is turning soft. I'm not sure. It's got me puzzled. If anyone out there can help, I welcome your recommendation or comments. If it happened to you ever, then maybe you can shed some light on this. I'm gonna continue to dry it out and leave it out of the pot for a while. I don't know, I'll check it in a day or two. Beautiful plant. Nice long gray hair. So I'm not sure what happened. So we're gonna let this one sit. The next one is a new plant. This is a Gymnocalicium. Not sure exactly which one it is. Nice structure. I love gymnos. Nice, strong, healthy spines. Very strong. Even though they curl back towards the plant, and it actually makes it easier to handle. The only issue with this is when I unpotted it, it had really wet soil and most of the roots just came out. You see that? This is all I have left in roots. But there's a taproot in there and it looks pretty firm and strong. So I'm just gonna pot it up and hope for the best. I'm sure it'll be fine. So let's do that now. So I'm putting it into a, looks like a 3.5 or maybe 4-inch pot. And I'm just gonna add some gravel on the bottom. It'll be a while before those roots hit the bottom. Okay. And we're gonna add some soil. With the soil, I'm not leaving it so shallow. I'm gonna add a little bit more than I normally do. Half, maybe a little bit better than half, because the roots won't even reach that far. Hopefully though, it'll go reproduce some roots soon. So we're definitely going to put some rooting hormone in this one. Put a little bit extra just in case. I never want to see rot. And then I'm going to add a little bit of fertilizer. Not a lot, maybe 7-8 little pellets. I don't want to overfeed this one just yet. I can always fertilize from the top with water. When I picked this plant up, I had a feeling, because I saw the wet soil. You get to the point where you can almost tell right away what to expect. I'm just gonna work the soil down. I think I have 2 or 3 of the same species. The ones that I have are a little bit bigger than this one. These are relatively slow growers. I got a gymno, a little bit smaller than this one. This one's about a 3-inch diameter. I have one that's about 2-inch diameter, and it's been 2-inch forever. It never really got any bigger. Very slow growers. Okay. Alrighty. What do you guys think? Gymnocalicium. Unlabeled. But beautiful structure. Nice, healthy, brownish, beigeish spikes on top. They're lighter as they go down. They're almost white down here. So we're gonna just top dress this. I actually started collecting mammillarias because they flower so often. Even when they're babies, they'll flower. But once I got to know, I learned more about the Gymnocalicium. This has got to be like one of my favorite plants. I love these. Love the way they grow. I like the way they look. Some of my gymnos though are a lot more dangerous than this. They have more lethal spines. Some have up to 2.5 inch spikes. This is the shorter variety. If it gets enough sun and it's healthy, it'll grow longer spikes, but not like the other ones. So, there it is. I'll keep you updated on my old man cactus. I hate to lose that one. Even though I got about 5 or 6 different old man cactuses, this one was one of my favorites because the hair grew on it so long. Some of these strands are like, I don't know if you could tell, maybe 4 inches long. Beautiful plant. Well, wish me luck. So anyhow, I hope this was helpful. I hope you find my videos interesting. Please subscribe and leave me a thumbs up. And always leave comments. I read my comments all the time and I get back to you right away. All right, guys. Have a good one.